Oak wood panels are a fantastic project for DIYers, offering a blend of creativity and craftsmanship. They provide an opportunity to build something not only beautiful, but also incredibly long-lasting, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Oak is a hardwood renowned for its strength and durability, making it a preferred choice for many woodworkers. This inherent strength makes it ideal for crafting furniture and home decor items that can withstand the test of time. Imagine the satisfaction of crafting a sturdy table or an eye-catching wall panel that becomes a focal point in your home. The true beauty of oak lies in its grain patterns. Each piece of oak wood is unique, with its own distinct character. These grain patterns add a rich, natural character to any project, making each creation one of a kind. Oak is also incredibly durable, capable of withstanding daily wear and tear. This resilience makes it perfect for high-traffic areas in your home, such as hallways and family rooms. Whether it's flooring or furniture, oak can handle the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Building your own oak panels not only gives you a sense of accomplishment but also allows for personal customization. You can customize the size, shape, and finish to perfectly match your style and the specific needs of your space. The process of crafting oak panels is rewarding from start to finish, offering a hands-on experience that is both educational and fulfilling. With the right tools and a bit of guidance, anyone can create stunning oak panels that will be admired for years to come. So, let's dive in and explore the steps to crafting your own oak masterpiece and bring your woodworking dreams to life. Before we embark on our woodworking journey, let's gather the essential tools. These tools will be the foundation of all your projects, ensuring that you can work efficiently and effectively. Having the right equipment ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience. It not only makes the process easier, but also enhances the quality of your work. Don't be intimidated by the list. Many of these tools are likely already in your workshop. If not, they are worthwhile investments that will pay off in the long run. First and foremost, a reliable table saw is crucial for making precise cuts. This tool is the backbone of any woodworking shop, allowing you to cut large pieces of wood with ease. A miter saw comes in handy for angled cuts, adding design flair to your panels. It's perfect for creating frames, moldings, and other detailed work. For joining the oak boards seamlessly, you'll need a sturdy set of clamps. Clamps are essential for holding pieces together while the glue dries, ensuring a strong bond. Accurate measurements are paramount in woodworking. Precision is key to making sure all your pieces fit together perfectly. Keep a measuring tape and a combination square within arm's reach. These tools will help you mark and measure your materials accurately. A wood planer ensures your boards are at a consistent thickness. This is crucial for creating smooth, even surfaces that are easy to work with. Safety is paramount in any workshop. Always prioritize your well-being by using the appropriate safety gear. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris. This simple step can prevent serious injuries. Additionally, ear protection is essential when operating power tools for extended periods. Prolonged exposure to loud noises can damage your hearing, so make sure to protect your ears. Choosing the right oak wood is crucial for a successful project. Visit your local lumberyard or hardwood supplier. They have a wide selection of oak boards. Look for boards that are straight and free of large knots. Inspect the grain pattern. Oak's grain is what gives it character. Choose a pattern that you find visually appealing. Consider the moisture content of the wood. Ideally, the oak should be dried to around 6 to 8% moisture. Before you start cutting, you need to prepare the oak. Use a wood planer to ensure all your boards are the same thickness. This creates a level surface for gluing. Once your boards are planed, it's time to move on to the next step, joining them together to form the panel. Section 4. The art of joining, creating a seamless oak surface. Now comes the satisfying part, joining the oak boards to create a cohesive panel. This is where your craftsmanship truly shines. This step requires precision and patience. Every measurement counts, and every adjustment makes a difference. Start by laying out your boards. Ensure they are flat and free of any warps or defects. Arrange them to create the desired grain pattern. The grain pattern will add character and uniqueness to your final piece. Remember, each piece of oak is unique, so take your time to find an arrangement that speaks to you. This is your chance to be creative. Apply wood glue to the edges of the boards. Make sure to cover the entire edge to ensure a strong bond. Spread the glue evenly using a brush. This step is crucial for the durability of your panel. This ensures a strong bond. Even application prevents weak spots in the final panel. Then carefully align the boards and clamp them together. Alignment is key to a seamless surface. Use enough clamps to distribute the pressure evenly. This will help in achieving a flat and even surface. Allow the glue to dry completely. Patience at this stage will pay off in the quality of your final product. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying time. This ensures the glue sets properly. Once the glue is dry, remove the clamps and admire your handiwork. You've successfully created a solid oak panel. The seamless surface is a testament to your skill. Now let's move on to sanding and finishing. This will bring out the natural beauty of the oak and give it a professional look. Section 5. Sanding and finishing, unveiling the beauty of oak. Sanding is a crucial step in achieving a smooth and polished finish. It removes any imperfections and prepares the wood for staining or sealing. Begin with a coarser grit sandpaper, around 80 grit, to smooth out any rough spots. Gradually work your way up to finer grits, such as 120 grit, 180 grit, and finally, 220 grit. Sanding with the grain enhances the natural beauty of the oak. Once you've achieved a silky, smooth surface, it's time to apply a finish. You can choose from a variety of stains and sealants. Stains enhance the color of the oak, while sealants protect it from moisture and scratches. Apply the finish evenly using a brush or cloth, following the manufacturer's instructions. Section 6. Avoiding common pitfalls. Tips from a seasoned woodworker. Even experienced woodworkers make mistakes. Here are a few common pitfalls to avoid when making oak panels. 1. Rushing the drying process. Allow ample drying time for both the glue and the finish. Rushing the process can lead to weak bonds and uneven finishes. 2. Neglecting sanding. Don't underestimate the importance of thorough sanding. It ensures a smooth and professional-looking finish. 3. Inconsistent clamping pressure. Apply even clamping pressure across the entire panel to prevent warping or bowing. 4. Ignoring moisture content. Using wood with high moisture content can lead to cracking or warping over time. By being mindful of these common mistakes, you'll increase your chances of creating stunning, long-lasting oak panels. Section 7. Conclusion. Embrace the craft and build with confidence. Creating DIY oak wood panels is a rewarding experience. It allows you to combine your creativity with the timeless beauty of natural wood. Remember to take your time, enjoy the process, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are all part of the learning experience. Start with a simple project, like a small wall panel or a decorative tray. As you gain confidence, you can tackle more challenging pieces, such as a coffee table or a headboard. The possibilities are endless. So, gather your tools, select your oak, and embark on your woodworking adventure. The satisfaction of creating something beautiful and enduring with your own hands is an unparalleled feeling. Happy woodworking.